Hi, my name's Robert, and welcome to the video series where we are transforming my friend John's 1997 Volvo 850R. We're replacing the engine, converting it to a manual, and doing several other upgrades and modifications. Back here at John's car, we're going to kick it off working on these parking brakes. I'm setting up these brake shoes for the parking brake. They don't have a groove cut deep enough in them, so you got to go cut this groove in them so that this part of it here will rest upon this resting pad there. And this dog leg's got the pin hanging out, so I got to try to get that back in. I think I finally have a win on this parking brake situation. This one on this side was fine, but on this side, when it was a little loose, I could turn it back, but I couldn't turn it forward. And I didn't quite know why. Then when I thought everything was good, I went inside, pulled the parking brake. This one could still be turned backwards, and the other one couldn't be turned at all. So I pulled everything back apart, and this dog leg in here had a pin that was dislodged, and it just wasn't right. So I took the cable loose from the parking brake handle from the outside. I pulled the cable out, took the dog leg off, got that pin drove in, made sure it was all free and moving good, put that back together, and I got it centered in a better way where it wasn't jammed up, pushed against the front side. And then the brake pad sat on there better. Put it all back together. Now it's working perfect. Both sides. Not this turn, jerk, turn, snap, turn, spin it halfway and it lock, all that stuff. That's all got something to do with that dog leg. So if you're having that problem, take that dog leg off, make sure it's right, put it back together. Should be good to go. Let me go ahead and put these wheels on. After I put the calipers back on. And we went with new rotors because the old rotors had some corrosion in there and we couldn't get them smooth. They were pitted, and those brakes just will eat that stuff apart. Then you'll have dust in there, then they won't be grabbing. So we went with new rotors. Now we're going to try to unhook this hanger from this exhaust and maneuver that exhaust forward and out. Let's see how that works. It's got these hooky things that may be difficult to get this thing out with, but they look like they might be attached to this, so I'm gonna knock these loose and that may release those hangers. Get that hanger bracket off. I'm gonna go under there and try to pull this exhaust through there. John, the master of tools, has a hanger puller for your exhaust, and we cut the tailpipe, got the exhaust out, ready to go in with the new pipe. We have this exhaust in place, but it is not perfect because it is resting on that center support there, resting on the anti-sway bar there, and it's not totally in the hangers back here, but it's close to where it needs to be. Nice. It's closer than I thought, John. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.